Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button and using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your home page. And from this page, if you wish to change your country within the application, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. You will now be taken into the menu page within which you will find the country and language section. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to choose your country. Just tap on your desired country and you can also choose the language right from this option. Once you tap on your desired country and its language, your application will restart and the language will immediately be applied based on the country that you selected. You can change this option at any time by going back to the menu and then tapping on country and language. And now you can choose your language, and now you can change your country once again from all of the list of the available countries. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your country on the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.